Guys, we are now near our production facility where C panels are manufactured. Let's go see what the workshop looks like and what we have in the workshop and what panels where our material for building houses is loaded from. So let's go! I want to start with the material that will be brought to the construction site. These are boards, dry panel boards, not of natural moisture. This is a very important point in order to build a house and in the future so that it does not crumble or that there is no mold and all sorts of side effects, such as happens in many companies that start building houses from raw material. And then after 3 years the house can be thrown away. No, we have cool, dry panel boards. You can look at them now, and here you can already see the folded C panels that have already been assembled for the construction of a modern house. Also, as you can see, a small pavilion on wheels. This is more of a show option, it's not a living space. In principle, it's to show for those who are interested how everything is built and connected. So, let's move on. Let's see what the panels look like and how many of them they are. A house is assembled for such panels. The 174th panel is placed along the perimeter of the house. All the structures are supported by this plate. Then we have the 124th plate. This plate goes inside the room and we also placed it on the house partition. This is how these slabs look and in the principle are ready on the site if the project does not provide for this. If someone took these slabs, you can cut them on site and assemble the structure that is needed. These are the positions. Do you see? Here, two good beams are inserted that will connect one slab to another. Further, I will show how they are installed. You can see how many finished blocks, finished panels there are here. There is enough material for 2 houses. That is approximately 260 square meters of these C panels. The roof also uses the 164th slab for better insulation. And let's see how the example of the facade and interior will look. Now you can see how the walls panels are positioned. Here is a section, and let's pay attention to how the joint of this panel is. This is how they are assembled, along the edge of the house, along the perimeter. Here is the joint of 2 panels, and here are exactly the 2 boards that I was talking about. The boards that are in these grooves. Here you can see that there is a board inside the panel. Here is the second one, and another panel is connected to it. The connection node, pay attention, look at how it all looks. Here is the joint of one wall with another, and here's already an opening for the window. And as I said earlier, thinner panels like these are placed on partitions and will be inside the house, a very good material that insulates sound very well. In the future, all panels will be covered with plasterboard from the inside. You can see in this example. Let's take a look. This is the inside of the house. There are aluminum profiles and plasterboard lies on it. There can be 1 or 2 layers of plasterboard. I also show the outer wall. Here a layer of insulation is pasted on the outside, and on this insulation we can stick artificial stone, cement plaster, everything you want, if it fits within the budget we offer. You also may propose your options, and we will listen to them and do it. So, now we have seen how everything is done, how everything is installed, the window opening, where the boards are located, and what material it's all made of. Now the most important thing, prices. A house kit with installation, let's say 100 square meters. If you want to build a house, such a house will cost you only 30,000 euros. Since a square meter of a house kit costs 300 euros. What is a house kit? C panels, timber, and the house is already assembled on your site. You get a house frame with walls and a roof. This is what a house kit is. I repeat again, 300 euros per square meter. In Spain, this is the lowest price and you will not find better. Further, if you want a turnkey house, if the house is without a foundation slab, then the house will cost 850 euros per square meter. But if you want a house with a foundation, a concrete slab or a pile foundation, then it will be 950 euros per square meter. What is included in this house? Walls, exterior finish, interior finish, with bathroom, tiled floor, kitchen fully fitted. There will be the electricity, ceilings, absolutely everything. You just have to bring household appliances and furniture, and that's it. You move out and leave because everything is already arranged. This set costs 950 euros per square meter on the foundation, but it does not include the services of an architect, services of connecting utilities, and various little things. All this is calculated separately, depending on where the house will be located, where the utilities will be, the distance, and so on. But the house kit will definitely cost 950 euros per square meter. We also have sales now. A house of 60 square meters on a plot of 300 square meters. The house is already ready, with interior and exterior finishing. And it costs 100,000 euros, but the plot is not prepared yet because we are waiting for a customer. And there is another area where the improvement will be ready, a parking area, a swimming pool together with a green area and fencing. The house inside is already fully equipped with laminate, kitchen, bathroom, windows and doors. Just move in and live. The cost of such a house is 295,000 euros. Also depends on the completion that you will choose, because they are a little cheaper and they are more expensive. Everything will depend on your wishes. We can also build houses on 2 plots that we already have ready, and with your participation we can build you a house so that in the future you do not need to spend money on repairs, alterations and other services. And with your participation we will make the house that you like, and its cost will be 950 euros per square meter, plus expenses for the architect, communications and so on. All those who are interested, please contact our company, Realtor Europe and Nieracom. In our company we all work together, and you have already seen our product, so bye everyone.